Hello, Twister. Hi, Twi. What are you doing, Twi? Twilight. Twister. What are you doing, Twister? Say good morning and thank you, God, for another day. Today I'm going to bring you along. Look at that butterfly. That pretty. Here are some flowers. I have the name in the greenhouse. Got to try, get rid of these ants. Keep destroying their hole. So, today I moved the bird bath, the bird feeder. Have a bird feeder back here. I'm going to set up with the bird house on it. Right here. It's on a pole. Has a tray on top. It's old, pretty neat though. My dad made it. Because they keep getting into my garden. And then tomorrow I have sacks of hay that I can get to put all over this. I've got potatoes coming up. I've got squash coming up. Potatoes over there. Sunflowers, black gnats got on them. I sprayed them with vinegar and water. Got rid of the gnats, but something, they sure did eat those. The corn is not coming up at all because of the birds. So that's why I saw a video to move this away from the garden. So I'm going to move it into the front circle. Okay, I got my coals going. I'm going to put the top on and let it heat up, and then I'll bring the meat out to cook it. So you see here, I let mine sit out and come to room temperature. That's the best way to cook your steak or anything. Let it cool, come to room temperature. And there's my chicken feed fermenting. They love it. They just love it. They gobble it up. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. I know a lot of people don't do this, but I do this all the time. I temp my meat. Always. And I'll take the steak off at 150, which it's past it. 158, 68, 62. Beef, you only have to get up to 155. Chicken has to be at 165. Let's do it this way. Put it in the biggest part of the chicken. It's already at 184, 186, 87. Same way with this one. 182, 84, so they're done. I'm going to put on some hot dogs. Because when I want a snack, I just grab some meat. I cook up a bunch of meat and I just grab some meat and eat it. I might as well put them all on there. See you in a bit. So, fry me up 3 eggs, but I wanted to show you. I always have to have a clean kitchen, but what I do is I keep some water with just a drop of Clorox in it. Or you can use whatever it is you want to use. The peroxide, alcohol, whatever you use. Apple cider vinegar, anything that kills germs. And you keep your sponge in there and your rag. Because I have cats, I always wipe down all my surfaces, even though I don't see them on the counter. I wipe down all surfaces just in case. And another thing I wanted to let you know is how I spread out the broth into a big Tupperware. Don't put it in a jar where it's shallow and deep. unless you're going to stir stir it a bunch. This way you only have to stir it every 10 minutes and that will cool down properly, but never put a lid on your product until it's down to 41 degrees. You'll see if you put a lid on that when it's warm, it starts getting that condensation. That's bacteria grows in moisture. So you let it get down to 41 before you cap it. So let's fix my plate. Like my eggs well done. Sometimes I like them runny or over easy, and I have a different way of cooking them than that, but that's how I like it with this, with meat and stuff. So I'm only going to eat part of the steak, so I will cut it. Half a hot dog. There it is. And it's at 3 p.m. Haven't eaten anything. Snacked on a few pork skins, but that's it. Haven't eaten anything. Yes, I will eat until I'm full or until it doesn't taste anymore. Just don't worry about calories. Don't eat. If you're hungry, eat. So I will see you later. Bye. Noli is having a blast eating with her brothers. She's the one right there. Twister, belly button, Grommies, and Noli. They play outside and chase things and have fun, and then it's dinner time. They love their dinner time. It's done with the dinners. Are you done with the dinners? Huh? Are you done with the dinners? See my floor, boy, it gets all... They eat back here. Okay, girls. Come around. You ready? Out they go.